Hello guys, good morning. Today I will teach some important topics of organic chemistry. Some important topics of organic chemistry like terpenoids. Terpenoids. What is the meaning of terpenoids? What is meaning of terpenoids? The terms campers, the terms terpenes, the terms terpenes and camphor the terms terpenes and camphor were imaginated into a single terms called terpenoids. Okay, the terms terpenes and camphor were imaginated into a single terms called terpenoids. Terpenoids include hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons means hydrogen and carbon. Hydrocarbon means hydrogen and carbon's molecules compound. It include hydrocarbons of plant. Hydrocarbon means organic chemistry more important in hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons means hydrogen and carbon molecule compound. Okay. So general formula of terpenoids. General formula of terpenoids is C5H8N. Means C5H8N molecules. N molecules of C5H8. Okay. So general formula C5H8N as well as oxygenated compound. Derivatives is hydrocarbons means के hydrogenated and dehydrogenated. Hydrogenated means presence of hydrogen. Dehydrogenated means absence of hydrogen. Okay. Classification of terpenoids. Classification of terpenoids. So some class of terpenoid specification. Number 1, general formula. type of compound. Number 1, general formula, type of compound. So CnH2n minus 2, general formula CnH2n minus 2, CnH2n minus 2. This formula is open chain compound. Open chain compound. This formula compound is open chain. Open chain means के acyclic. Open chain means acyclic compound. Acyclic compound. Second, CnH2n. Second one is CnH2n open ring. This is open chain like CH3, CH2, CH2, open chain. This is open ring. Open ring compound. Open ring compound. Monocyclic. Mono means one. Monocyclic type of compound. Mono open ring. Monocyclic. Monocyclic compound means benzene, like benzene. Benzene is monocyclic compound. Only one ring. Monocyclic compound. Second one is CnH2n minus 2. CnH2n minus 2. CnH2n minus 4. CnH2n minus 6. Open ring. CnH2n minus 2. CnH2n minus 2 ring compound like bicyclic compound. Bicyclic compound. CnH2n minus 4. Tricyclic 3 ring compound. 3 ring compound like tricyclic compound. Next one is CnH2n minus 6 4 ring. 4 ring compound like tetracyclic compound. Classification of terpenoids. General formula, ring or chain, type of compound. General formula CnH2n minus 2. CnH2n. Cn means like n is equal to 1. So C1H21 minus 2. So CH0 means के कार्बन हाइड्रोजन compound. N is equal to 6. C6H2 6 minus 2. C6H12 minus 2. C6H10. This compound C6H10. CnH2n N is equal to 5. C5H2 5 C5H10 C5H10. Okay. N is equal to 6 CnH2n minus 4 C6H2 6 minus 4 C6H12 minus 4 C6H8. Next, CnH2n minus 6 CnH2n minus 6 N is equal to 7. N is equal to 7 C7H2 7 minus 6 C7H40 minus 6 C7H8. N means number of carbon. N means number of carbon. CnH2n minus 2 open chain type of compound, a cyclic compound, means no cycle, no ring, only chain. Only chain. CnH2n open ring compound, monocyclic, only one ring. Only one ring. CnH2n minus 2 two ring compound, bicyclic, two ring compound. CnH2n minus 4 three ring compound, tricyclic. Three ring means के 1 2 and 3 and 3C and 3C. CnH2n minus 6 four ring compound, tetracyclic compound. So N is number of carbon. This topic is terpenoids. Number 1, definition, general formula, derivatives and his classification. So next lecture I will start another topic of terpenoids. Thank you very much.